Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a wavy text in Canva. Just going to add a heading. I'm going to write "you are," and on a separate one I'm going to just duplicate it. Actually, I'm going to change the text first, and then I'm just going to duplicate I duplicate that. I don't know why it's not doing it. What? Just like this. You are, and on the second one, still left. I'm just going to then change the color of the text. You don't have to do this. This is completely optional, but I just want to make it cute. And then you are going to go to Effects and Curve. Make sure the curve is you can have it at 100. I'm just going to have it around 70. And for the second one, you're going to do the same effects, curve, but you're going to do kind of the opposite. So I'm just going to do minus 70-ish, like so. Just have the text like this, and you have your wavy text. I'm just going to group them like so. And here is your wavy text. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!